I would like to tell people you cannot imagine how hard it was me to learn during my primary school. And even the people, they start laughing on me that I don't have good handwriting. But on Umwero, we don't care about handwriting. We just care on the symbol. This is A. And it's amazing. You just write without removing A. This is M, or ma. You just write without, you don't have to remove your pen. So, when you look on this is the symbol of a cow. When you look on ma or M, this is the symbol of women. Because for us, mother, and I wish all women Mother's Day. Now you can write mama. That's really mama. Yeah, you write mama. So, mom. Ma.
Also du hast nicht alle Bilder.
Ma. Mama. So das ist in our mother language, this is mother.